And welcome back. We're now taking your questions for veterinarian David Graff. Who do we have here today?
This is Buddy. Buddy is a 10-year-old Labrador Retriever mix.
Okay, very well preserved for 10. Good
Yeah,
spirits
yeah.
for all that. So, yeah, I was just going to say there was one element you wanted to touch on for scratching right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of dogs right now that are encountering allergic skin disease due to pollens in the air. And when people get hay fever, they sneeze and get a runny nose and watery eyes. When dogs get exposed to allergens, their skin will get red and they'll itch all over. And so there's a lot of ways of treating that, everything from giving them injections to reverse the effects of the allergy, to antihistamines, to medicated baths, to short courses of cortisone. But if your dog's scratching, it may be allergic skin disease. And the other thing we're seeing right now is a lot of fleas.
Okay.
So go see your doctor and get a diagnosis because they're treated very differently.
I know we did have a call, I believe, about a dog that may be eating grass. So let's see if we can take that call. Good morning.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I've been told that they'll eat the grass because they have an upset stomach. Is that true, or even if they have the upset stomach, is there anything I can do for it?
Well, the age-old question is, why is my dog eating grass? And the shortest answer is because dogs like to eat grass. They like the taste of grass, especially the fresh green shoots. They just love it. Some dogs will eat grass until they vomit, and they're not eating grass because they have an upset stomach. They're eating grass because it tastes good, and then they eat so much, then they vomit it up. But grass usually has no harmful effects. Cats like grass too.
Right.
In fact, you can go to the pet shop and buy grow your own grass for your cat called kitty greens, and grow grass just for your cat to eat. But grass usually doesn't have any harmful effects unless, of course, it's been sprayed by bug killer. Insecticides can be a problem.
I guess that's really no different than how toddlers will eat 20 Oreos until they get sick, kind of the same mentality. Have another call here on the line. Good morning.
I just wondered about peeing and pooping on the carpet even when we're at home. What we could do to solve that problem?
Try to clean waste out of the carpet at home. Not sure if that'd be more of a carpet cleaning question necessarily, but
okay. Well, we get asked that a lot. How do I get stains and smells out? If it's urine, then you've got a problem with the pad usually, and sometimes it'll be necessary to take up the carpet and replace the pad underneath. Of course, the first best advice is if your pet has a problem with inappropriate elimination behavior, and that's what we call it. It's got a long name.
Yes.
Inappropriate elimination
very technical.
behavior.
Need a degree for that.
If your pet has that, then it may be a medical problem. It's not always behavior. Sometimes if they've got a urinary tract infection or urinary stones, that can cause inappropriate urination on the carpet. Sometimes if they're having diarrhea, that can cause inappropriate elimination. So check that first. And then at my office, we carry several things that we can send with people to help get the smell and the stain out.
All right. Thanks again, Dr. David Graff, for being here, as well as Buddy.
Good to be here.
Down here as well, who's kept that tail wagging like a tree branch around here, but very well behaved. Coming up tomorrow, psychologist Dick Sockwell will be in to take your questions as well. Stay with your 24-hour news source, KCRG TV 9.